Hello everyone, let's look at the new features and changes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 26300.8085 and their channel. These improvements are expected to be part of Windows 11 version 26H2 when it becomes available later this year. Okay, this preview only includes one new feature, and that is the pointer indicator, and this is an accessibility feature that allows low vision users to locate and use a mouse cursor more easily. You can even create your custom color. In this release, we are also going to find an updated version of the Feedback Hub app, and this new version includes a modern design and it makes it easier to send the different types of feedback. Also, the left navigation has been streamlined. For example, now my feedback now appears directly in the navigation pane. There is also the community feedback section that makes it a lot easier to discover and engage with submissions from other users. And this updated version of the app no longer includes the announcements page. And Microsoft is even adding a new option that allows you to actually let the team know what's actually working on the operating system. And you also see that there is an option that allows you to choose whether you want your feedback to be private or visible to everyone. And finally, there are improvements for screenshot capture and review tooling to make it easier to capture and include visuals when sharing a bug or anything else. And that's it. Those are the most significant changes that you're going to find on Windows 11 build 26300.8085 and the dev channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about these improvements. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.